How to know if someone is online on Messenger but invisible. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can know if somebody is online. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Messenger application and get logged into your Messenger account. Tap onto the three bar icon on your top right. Then tap onto Settings. Here tap on Active Status. Make sure that you have toggled this option on. This option will show when you're active, and this option will show when you're active together with your friends. Now, as you have toggled on both these options, let's go back to our Messenger. Tap on any chats. Now let's go ahead and send a test messages. Now, if you see this only one checkmark icon, that means this person is not available and he or she is not online. But in case you see double check just like this shaded area, that means he or she is online, but he or she is in invisible mode and they have already seen your messages from their pop-up. Just like so, this is the only way you can know if somebody is online but invisible. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.